In this video I'm going to walk you through how you can create custom audiences in the Facebook Ads Manager. So first of all, when you're in your Ads Manager account, you're going to head to the left sidebar, and here you're going to hover and you're going to select Audiences. After that, you're going to select Create Audience up here, and you're going to select Custom Audience. Then you're going to select Website as your source, and you're going to select Next. Here you will need to select your source, and this will be your specific meta pixel that you're using for this campaign. Now let's walk you through the different specific events that you can create retargeting ads for and custom audiences. The first one is page view. This means when someone has landed on your homepage, just a simple page view. You can target people, for example, with bottom of funnel ads. So just reinstating the message that your brand has. Then you have view content. This is a bit more specific. This is someone that, for example, went into your ad, they clicked, they opened a collection, and they even clicked on a product. This can be view content. You can either refine it by URL parameter, that you can only target people that went on, for example, a URL that has /collections, if you're using Shopify. Then we're going to have add to cart. These are people that have saw your product and added your product to their cart. So I'll explain you one more thing later on, but let me just finish this. Then we got as well the initiate checkout. These are people that added to cart and even press to the checkout page. Our Shopify, WooCommerce, Lightspeed, whatever you're using. And then we got purchase. These are people that have just completed their purchase. Let's say, for example, I want to target people that added their a product of mine to their cart, just like this, in the last 14 days. But I don't want to show my ad to someone that has added it to their cart, and already purchased in 14 days, because that means that they will be retargeted, but their need is already satisfied. I'm going to select exclude people from the same source, of course, I'm using up here, and these will be excluded for the events of a purchase. This means you're only targeting people that have added the product to their cart but didn't finish a purchase. If you want to be more specific, you can even have initiate checkout, and these are people that have abandoned their checkout. So let's say I've created this custom audience. Now I just need to name it Undies abandoned checkout, and I just need to press create audience. Just like that, you can create a custom audience. I'm going to show you in the ads on a campaign level how you can target this specific audience in a minute. So what I did was I opened a new campaign and I went into an ad set. Here you'll get the option called suggest an audience. Here I'm going to press show settings, just like this. Include these custom audiences, and here you can press to search for the existing audience or the one that you've created. In this example, I will type in here Undies abandoned checkout, and then I can select this specific audience that this specific ad set will target, meaning I can tailor make my ads for these people that have initiated a checkout, but they didn't make a purchase, meaning they have left their cart open. This is, in a nutshell, how you can create retargeting ads and create a custom audience in Facebook Meta Ads in 2026.